300 foot above ground level and return with a fly past at about 200 foot 95 knots. Now you might wonder, what is this little aeroplane ideal for? Well, it's ideal for game capture, for doing spotting. It's good for aerial reconnaissance. It's good for power line patrols, and it's just a great fun utility aircraft to fly around in. So this is the Bad Hawk. Flown here by Bobby Rowe. Total time 1,200 hours, 350 on the type, and he comes from Nelspruit.
The problem is I can't focus on you. Go further
Up
away.
he goes nicely now. He shows us the agility and the maneuverability of this aircraft. So he was out in Kruger in the and we say a very big thank you to the Bat Hawk complete coming in. That's Bobby Rowe. Well done, Bobby Rowe. Waiting now for the Raptor.
The voice you hear there, that's Captain Pierre Gous in the little blue and white aircraft. That's the RV, and he's